You are about to go on an emotional culinary journey. Imagine a dish that just hearing its name makes your stomach rejoice and your mouth water. Yes, it's pickled cucumbers, or as they're also known, pickles, a masterpiece that once you've tried it you can never resist. The journey of creating pickled cucumbers starts with tiny ambitious seeds. Imagine each seed is placed into the ground with machines as precise as master sculptors. In the following days they are tended to as if they were VIP babies in the plant world. Watering it must be as regular as a Swiss watch, light essential, but must be perfectly studio quality to ensure that the seedlings grow up beautiful and healthy like supermodels on a fashion runway. And now to the most exciting part, the clever farmers don't forget to hire an additional team of hard-working assistants, the diligent bees, and now the scene becomes more and more dynamic than ever. The farming team with their powerful machines roll into the fields. They're not just harvesting, they are receiving rewards for countless days of diligent work. Every machine noise, every hand picking cucumbers embodies joy and pride in a bountiful harvest. Watching these machines at work you can only exclaim, wow, this isn't a farm, it's the future. Notice how they work gently yet powerfully, harvesting each cucumber as if it were the most valuable item in the world. Everything is done quickly, accurately, and without a single mistake. Are you curious about how this smart system works? Don't miss out as you're about to discover a harvesting solution that is both fast and refreshingly cool. Get ready for a big surprise, dear viewers. After the cucumbers have been harvested, their journey doesn't stop there. With remarkable techniques you will see that the next step is just as important. Imagine the cucumbers had been taken to a temporary location, were subjected to a proper cleaning process. It's not a simple process. The cucumber is passed through the washing step that cleans them, and they are free of soil or pesticides and prepared for the pickling process. The fresh cucumbers have now arrived in massive container trucks, and do you wonder what will be the next stage? Which will do when the container arrives? Welcome to the next stage of this fantastic cucumber journey. It is not just an ordinary pickling process but a refined presentation of artistry and flavor. First of all, let's cherish these magic pickles. Pieces of these mountains of pickled cucumber pieces are not merely ordinary slices. They are fruits of an amazing machine-like change. From green lush cucumbers they have turned into pickled savory pieces fit to win hearts and palates of pickles fanatics worldwide. Why not subscribe to my channel so you can bask with my presence in every piece of content when I post new ones? When you have ever tasted pickles or love watching the entire preparation process, please comment below. These cucumbers, also known as gherkin or pickles, not only make your stomach happy but also refresh your body. They contain beneficial gut bacteria, good water, and a crispy texture, pure joy in every bite. Some studies even suggest that compounds in cucumbers can help regulate blood sugar levels, so they are not just my favorite condiment but also a powerful health ally. If it were me I would pick whole pickles. The feeling of biting into a whole pickle with its crispy skin and tangy sweet taste is just heavenly, but of course everyone has their own preference. So what about you? Do you like pickled slices or whole pickles? Please comment below. We are soon going to experience a totally different experience at a new company here. Cucumbers will not be pickled in the traditional way but will be packed to preserve their freshness and ready for you to enjoy. These cucumbers, they are not only longer but also much bigger than those previously pickled. With smooth skin, they are like the beautiful girls of the cucumber world, ready to shine in any salad. Oh, those fresh cucumbers are stored in special plastic bags to keep them fresh and crispy. Can you imagine this freshness? They will be transported to supermarkets and delivered right to you, ensuring that you receive cucumbers in the finest condition, fresh as just picked from the garden. So we have reached the end of our wanderings exploring the cucumber harvesting and processing process. I hope it was interesting and informative. Do not forget to follow us to discover more exciting things about the world of agriculture.